Morgan story, which was not one of my better choices. Not for any other reason than a Morgan's not for me. It's a Scottish song, not a Gordon for me, but a Morgan's not for me. Lovely looking car, but trying to get into it was difficult, and it was very harsh, a very harsh ride, but super car to walk away from and look back at. However, so the old Morgan plus 6, well, the old Morgan plus 6 isn't an old Morgan, it's a 2020, but it's only done 1900 miles, unfortunately. Somebody's coming to pick it up on Sunday, which has allowed me to go to my next adventure. And without giving too much away, because I won't tell you today what it is, this is my car. So there, what is it? I'm not telling you, but we're going to do a similar story as to the Silver Shadow. Searching for, finding it, looking after it, telling you how much it costs, and yeah, the journey starts here. So stay tuned, all will be revealed in due course.